Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to claim your Emirates Skyward miles. So first, go to your web browser and search for emirates.com. Once you're here, on the top navigation bar, click on loyalty. Once you're on loyalty, on the third column, you will see claim miles. Click on it and then scroll down here. You will see the claim miles hyperlink. Click on it and then you will enter your booking reference and ticket number, and then you will just claim your miles. But then if you're encountering problems, make sure to go on live chat. That's the easiest way on how to resolve your problems. Click on this one and then click start live chat. Make sure you're logged in, and then that's basically it. You're in live chat.